Today we'll be going over the enhancement for assignment. So we will go to the products index and hit enter. We can see that it takes us to the product management page. If we validate the HTML here, we can see that we get a green, no errors. We will go to create a new category. We'll validate the HTML here as well. Again, we have no errors. If we try to register an empty field, it'll give us a warning. So we'll go ahead and say the category name is Fire Register. We can see it takes us back to product management and that we have Fire up here. We will now go create a new product. We'll validate the HTML here. And we get the green again. If we go down to category ID here, we can see that Fire was included in the list. If we try to do something in empty fields, we again get warning. So we'll go ahead and fill in these. Put in the new category, vendor, I am the vendor, and something. Now when we say register, and I guess something might not have been the best thing, but we have registered the product of something.